We are taking a little shortcut. Gonna hop out on the power line trail here. And I guess we got a car back here broke down. Little Volkswagen, so I don't know why it's on a power line road, but it is. Just gotta go see if we can find it. Well, there it is. I know I said Volkswagen, but it's a Kia. And I meant to say Kia, so I don't know why it's out here, but let's haul it back to town. If we turn around without getting stuck, look at that little shelter someone built out here in the woods. That's cool. Yeah, it's pretty neat. Alright, let's take some pictures so we don't get blamed for stuff like that. Pick it up, put a block under the tire, set it down, tighten these up, and pick it up again so that we get more clearance under that oil pan. On these low cars like this with little clearance, I use this chain instead of the lock pin here, because you got a lot more adjustment with the chain instead of these big spaced holes over here. Lets you get that L-arm even tighter, hold the car up higher away from the oil pan. Works great. Okay, I got the block underneath. Set it down. Give ourselves a little slack. Tighten that up. Go to the other side. Same thing. Now, when we go pick it up with our fancy buttons here, see look at plenty of clearance now. We got loaded up, wheel straps on, tow light on the back. We're not putting the safety chains on because we got a couple big dips and stuff to go through up there that we got to go through, let the reach in and out and up and down so that we don't bottom out the car, so we'll stop and put those on before we get to the road. Let's go. This is one of the dips I was talking about. Got to be careful not to rip the back bumper off the back of that car as we go through it. Luckily I've got these inside controls right here, so I can now lower the front down, a little more clearance to the back. I can pick it back up. And up here we got to do it again, like 4 more times. Okay, right up there, there's a roadblock. You know, they piled up dirt and all that stuff so nobody drives here. So we're going to take this little shortcut through the woods and get back out to the main road. Said, no idea why that thing was out here, but we'll get it out. So as you see, this is a different car. I didn't film the unloading of that last car or the loading of this car because I forgot. The reason I forgot might surprise you. It's because I'm not very good at this. So I remembered I have a camera. We're filming now. Let's get this unloaded.